All right, so this is a common question that gets asked on tests and things. We ask you to compare two things. So we got two banks. One is giving you a 5-year CD with annual interest of 3.75% compounded monthly. The other one is giving you a 5 years, 3% compounded monthly, but that one's giving $300 bonus to all customers, and that goes right into your account when it's being opened. Assuming Melissa has $10,000 to invest, which should she choose if her investment changed to $5,000? All right, so let's get two equations here. So we have $10,000 to invest. That's the principal in each one. Let's call this one National and this one Jones. Let's move Jones over a little farther here. All right, so hang on. We're not doing this right. Okay, so 10,000 is what we're putting in. All right, so in the National Bank, it's 3.75, which is 0.0375 compounded monthly. She's putting it in for 5 years. All right, so that's going to be the same on both. 12. And then she's getting only 0.03 over here, but she's getting the $300 bonus. I didn't factor that in, so she's getting $300 extra over here. All right, so there's my two different situations. So let's see which one ends up with more money. So we've got $10,000 times 1 plus alpha y equals 0.0375 over 12 to the 12 times 5. So 12,058.78. So 12,058.78. And then this one over here, let's do a little bit of editing. So we're getting just 0.03, but we're getting $10,300. All right, we're getting 11,964.65. 11,964.65. So which should she choose with 10,000? She should choose the National Bank. Then it says, what happens if it goes to 5,000? Now you might think, well, if it was better with 10,000, it's probably better with 5,000. But what's happening here is I have no idea if it's actually better. I'm guessing because it's a problem that I didn't write. More than likely, the 5,000 is going to switch, because whoever wrote this one probably did a better job than I do writing problems. The $300 is a larger percentage of 5,000 than it is of 10,000. All right, meaning that it raises you a higher percentage. Now, percentages are hard, so some of you might be having an issue with that, but $300 is like 6% of well, I can just figure it out. 300 divided by 5,000 is 6% of $5,000, but it's probably only 3% of 10,000. It's only 3% of 10,000, so it's twice as much in terms of percentage. All right, so that means you're increasing your amount of money by quite a bit more percentage-wise. All right, you're still just getting $300, but compared to what you had, you're getting a larger percentage increase. All right, so that means it's going to affect the interest more. So let's see what we got here. I'm going to go up to this one. We're going to do as little work as possible. All right, so I do have to go all the way back through this guy to the beginning. So we're going to do 5 and then delete one of the zeros. So that's going to be 6,029, and then let's grab this one. And we're going to go all the way back through here. I'm going to put a 5 and delete that 0. And we're going to get 6,156. So that's what I thought. So $6,029.39 and 6,156. $256.57. All right, so because we're working with percentages, the $300, while it's the same amount of increase, dollar-wise, it's not the same amount of increase percent-wise, which has a big effect on something like this when I'm figuring out which one to do.